My name is Nozipho Swart. I'm a mother of two, a wife of my husband. It's a thing here in South Africa, so I was just saying it. My role in BibleProject, I am a primary translator. It's just a sequence because now it starts from me, then I do the translation, I send it to the proofreader, and then the proofreader sends it back to me, and then I consolidate or reconcile everything that maybe she has corrected, and then we send it back to the team, and then there's the flow from there, and that goes all the way to animation. The first thing that I saw when I was just looking at it, it's very easy for the Zulu speakers, and it speaks to the heart, especially when it's narrative, and then that's how they communicate mostly. And it includes all generations. It doesn't take other people. So now it goes through all generations, and it's a huge and a beautiful tool to use when for the gospel. When they're listening to the stories and listening to the gospel, and they relate to that, and it comes to with their language, it makes it easier. I'm looking forward to see the revelation. So all of the letters to the churches and the dragons and all those the pictures that are there. So I just want to see it because when I saw the overview, because it's complete, it was mind blowing. I actually literally cried because I was like, I'm a part of this big project. This is amazing, and to see when it's complete and condensed together, how much impact it has. That for me, it was very touching.